as you can see, guys, we do not have any wheels on the car, and we are not going to put these wheels back on because these wheels are ugly and they're old. They've been painted, you know, nobody likes those. The rear ones, you know, really bad shape. So we got some new ones in. And what we got are these nice shiny chrome ones. My mom is the most excited about these wheels as anything on the whole entire car. So we got these in. We got tires put on, brand new tires. We got 2 different sizes. You can probably tell the difference in this video. These are the rears. They're 195/65 15s, a little bit wider. And these ones on the front are 165/80 15s, so they're a little bit skinnier. I had read that this seems like a good size that everybody likes. So this is what we're going with. So with these wheels, we have chrome center caps right here with the Wolfsburg West logo on the middle. Obviously none of this is put together yet because the wheels aren't on, but that is going to go on the wheels, and we are going to probably put those on in the next couple days. They're going to be ready to go on. So I just wanted to show you guys, you know, new wheel day is always a good day, and my mom cannot wait to see what these look like when they're on the vehicle and the vehicle is back on the ground. So stay tuned for that. I think that is going to give this thing a pretty good look, and I look forward to seeing it. Obviously it still looks a little funny without the doors on, but I think we'll be able to get the gist of how nice it's going to look when all said and done. Got the wheels on both sides, got the hubcaps. Looks very good. It's hard to really get a good view of this in here with all the stupid things in the way, but I'm going to be bringing it outside probably pretty soon in the next couple of days. Now that it's on the ground and all the wheels are on, I want to see everything out in the sun. I've never seen everything out in the sun with hood and the fenders on and all that stuff. So I'll get a better video of it soon. But the wheels are on. They look pretty good. I would have preferred the Volkswagen center caps, but this is what my mom wanted and this is what she gets. So maybe she'll change her mind. I don't know. But that's on. And the next thing I have to do is the seats. If you can look in here, it might be hard to notice, but the passenger seat is definitely tilted. It does not look straight. The driver's one is pretty straight, but that passenger's one not. It might just be the seat is bent. I don't know. But when you look at this and you sit in this, both of these rock a lot. And so I had no idea because there was nothing on there when we took these out, but on the slides, there's actual bushings that go on before the seats go on. So we have them over here. Seat rail bushings, they're just plastic that look like they just go in the channels. So before I put the steering wheel back on so I can drive this thing, I'm gonna take both seats out, which really isn't that big of a deal, put those new bushings back in, and hopefully it'll stop rocking as much as it does right now. I don't think it's gonna fix the passenger seat, because that seems probably like something in the floor, but you can see how it's not even right here. Somebody probably sat in that and bent it a long time ago. So I think that's probably gonna have to stay. I don't think we're gonna ever get new seat frames or anything, but yeah, you can see it over here. So that is the next thing I'm gonna do, take those out. Once I get those seat bushings in and put the steering wheel back on, I probably will take this outside to look at it. And then the next big thing is the doors. So stay tuned and I will update you when I get there.